How to install a Bradbury M2M Plus steel door. Hi, today I'm going to be installing this M2M Plus door into a steel frame that we've had specially made up for the job. Check the contents of the fixing box. Open the package and undertake the pre-installation checks. Next, measure the height and width of the door. Right, once you've measured your door, next thing you're going to want to do is measure your aperture. Make sure what you've got is going to fit. Measure both sides. Your width, you're going to take a measurement from the top, in the middle, and down the bottom. And that's great. Okay, today we're going to be installing this door using our adjusters, fitting it using one of the hex tools that will be provided in your installation pack. These are just screwed straight through into the plate at the back. And once those are in, it'll allow you to twist the frame once it's in place to suit the door. Right, we've staggered our adjusters down both sides of the frame to give us a good fixing. Nothing in the top because it's such a narrow opening. Now where you put your adjusters are going to depend upon your aperture. Obviously if you've got only brickwork down the front, you're just going to use more adjusters down the front of the frame to give you a fixing. Okay, now that we've got the door sat in the aperture, I'm going to check for level. First thing I'm going to do is check my head. With that in place, I can see that I'm going to need to lift my lock post here. So at the moment I'm going to leave that because we're going to be fixing the hinge post first. I'm going to start to actually fix the frame back now. I'm going to start down the bottom here just so that when I come to the top I can use the adjuster to get my door plumb and level. Right, now that we've fixed the hinge post in place, I'm going to swing the door closed, which allows me to check this gap up here. As you can see, it's pretty tight at this end here, so what I'm going to have to do is raise up the lock post to suit. Okay, now that we've packed up the lock post, I'm just going to check the door again. You can see the gap much more consistent now at the top there. Okay, once you've got the lock post sitting level, you can come to the inside of the door and check the gap between the frame and the leaf. Make sure that's consistent. Okay, once we've got the lock post in place, I can then start fixing that in, same as the hinge post, straight through the adjusters. Right, now that we've got all the fixings through all the adjusters, we're just going to tidy up the inside of the frame using the black plastic bungs. Just fit in the outside holes. Okay, now that the door's in place, we're just going to tidy up with some mastic between the frame and the structure. And that's it, job done.